You really need to stop going out so late every night. It's not safe and it's affecting your health.
Who do you think you are to tell me what to do?
I'm just worried about you. Staying out until 3 a.m. every night isn't good for anyone.
Mind your own business. I can take care of myself.
I'm your friend Emma. I care about you, and I don't want to see you get hurt.
Just stop. I don't need your lectures.
I'm not trying to lecture you. I just think you should reconsider your habits.
You're so annoying. Just let me live my life how I want.
I will, but I can't ignore it when I see you making choices that could be harmful.
You don't understand anything. Just leave me alone.
I understand more than you think. I'm only trying to help.
Well, I don't need your help, so just back off.
Fine, but don't say I didn't warn you when things go wrong.
Whatever. I don't need anyone telling me what to do.
All right, but remember, I'm here if you ever need to talk.
I won't. Now, can you just drop it?
Sure. Take care of yourself, Emma.
Yeah, just go away.
I'm leaving. Just think about what I said.
How could you do this to me, John?
Lisa, please, let me explain. It's not what you think.
Not what I think. I just caught you in bed with our neighbor. What else could it be?
I'm so sorry, Lisa. I made a terrible mistake.
A mistake? This isn't just a mistake, John. This is a betrayal.
I know. I don't know what I was thinking. It just happened.
It just happened. You think that makes it better? How long has this been going on?
It was just this one time, I swear. I wasn't thinking straight.
Do you really expect me to believe that, after what I just saw?
I don't know what else to say. I'm so sorry. I never wanted to hurt you.
Well, you did. You've destroyed everything we built together.
Please, Lisa, we can work through this. I'll do whatever it takes.
How can I ever trust you again? You've ruined us, John.
I know I've broken your trust, but I'm begging you for another chance.
A chance? After this? I don't even know who you are anymore.
I'm still the same person who loves you. I just made a terrible mistake.
Love? You call this love? You've shattered my heart, John.
Please, Lisa, don't leave. We can fix this, I promise.
I need time to think. Right now, I can't even look at you.
I understand. I'll give you space, but please don't give up on us.
I don't know, John. You've given me a lot to think about.
Excuse me, miss. Do you mind if I talk to you for a moment?
I'm sorry, I'm actually in a bit of a hurry.
It won't take long, I promise. I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is John.
Nice to meet you, Alex, but I'm really not interested in chatting right now.
I understand. I just thought you seemed really nice, and I was hoping we could get to know each other.
I appreciate the compliment, but I'm not really looking to meet anyone new at the moment.
I see. Maybe we could exchange WhatsApp numbers and just stay in touch casually. No pressure, I promise.
I'm sorry, but I'm not comfortable giving out my number to someone I just met.
I get it, it's a bit forward of me. Maybe we could start as friends and see where things go.
I'm flattered, but I really have to go now.
Of course, I didn't mean to keep you. I just couldn't pass up the chance to say hello.
Thank you for understanding. Take care.
You too. Maybe we'll bump into each other again sometime.
Excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for an address.
Sure. What address are you looking for?
I'm trying to find 123 Oak Street. Do you know where that is?
Yes, I do. You're actually pretty close.
Oh, that's good to hear. Which way should I go?
Just go straight ahead for 2 blocks, then take a left at the traffic light.
All right, straight ahead and then left at the light.
Exactly. After you turn left, Oak Street will be the second street on your right.
Got it. And once I'm on Oak Street, should I just look for the house number?
Yes, 123 should be on your left side, about halfway down the block.
Thank you so much for your help. I was starting to get a bit lost.
No problem at all. It can be tricky if you're not familiar with the area.
Definitely. I'm new in town, so I'm still figuring things out.
Welcome. If you need any more help, don't hesitate to ask.
Thanks, I really appreciate that.
You're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Any minute now, the water is going to get cold. You need to get in the shower.
But Mom, I'm almost done with this level. Just a few more minutes, please.
You said that 5 minutes ago. The game will still be there after your shower.
But I'm really close to beating it this time.
I know, but you've been playing for a while. It's time to get cleaned up.
Do I really have to shower right now?
Yes, you do. You don't want to go to bed dirty, do you?
I guess not. Can I finish this after my shower though?
Of course, as long as you don't take too long.
Okay, fine. I'll go now.
Thank you. I'll make sure your towel is ready for when you're done.
Thanks, Mom. I'll be quick, I promise.
I know you will. Just remember to wash your hair too.
I will. Can you remind me where the shampoo is?
It's on the second shelf in the shower. You can't miss it.
Got it. I'll be out in no time.
Take your time to get clean, but don't dawdle too much, okay?
Okay, I'm really going now.
Good. I'll check on you in a bit to make sure you're not just playing with the water.
I won't. See you in a few minutes. Please subscribe and see you in the next video.